Hello everyone, welcome to your own channel Uniform Forces. Today is 7th of July and the examination will be conducted on 8th of August 2021. So we can say that you have exactly 30 days. Okay, so today in this video I am going to give you some important tips so that you can score maximum and you can ensure a selection. So number one is, I know that there was lockdown and you all are willing to visit places, go out with your friends, but I would suggest that please do not do this at this point of time. This is very crucial time. Okay, so just for these 30 days more, keep on preparing seriously, and once you are given the examination, then I would recommend you to enjoy at least for 2 weeks once the examination is over. Second point is, as far as the newspaper is concerned, so I would say that you now don't need to read the newspaper as far as the current affairs is concerned, because the question paper has already been set by the examiner. Third point is, if you have been preparing for other examination as well, side by side with this CAPF, then I would recommend you not to prepare for other examination at this point of time. Just postpone that, because you need to pay 100% of your attention to the CAPF examination only, and once the examination is over, you can resume your preparation for different examinations. Next point is, you have to revise more and more. Revision is the key. I have told it many times. And along with that, practice mock test and previous year questions, so they will really help you in boosting your confidence and giving you different content. Next is, you don't have to make notes now. Do not make notes. This is not the time. Just go through whatever you have already made. Like if you have made the notes, then go through them. If you haven't, then you must have underlined in the books itself, so go through that. Okay, next point is, read nothing new. No new books, no new content, because even if you are reading new content at this point of time and in the examination hall you are not able to recall, then what is the point of reading them? Are you understanding me? So that's why I am saying that do not attempt anything new, do not read any new content. This is not the time. Next is, for paper 2, I would recommend you to practice for paper 2 on alternate days. Like if you have practiced on Monday, then start it on Wednesday, then on Friday. So in this way you need to practice. You can practice essay, you can practice arguments and reports, and many students have doubt that whether they should go with the full mock test for paper 2 or they can practice individually, like individually for essay, argument. So I would say, all game is about the content and the timing. So if you have a good timing, like I have told in my previous videos, but should be the timing for different topics, like you need to attempt one essay in 17 to 18 minutes. So if you are able to do that, then I would say there is no requirement of attempting the full mock test for paper 2. So next point is the fear of failure. And you many times you may feel that you are forgetting the content which you have read or mug up. So I would say that it is very normal. Don't be scared. It happens with everyone, be it topper or be it anyone. So I think there should be certain amount of fear as well, because it acts as a driving force. So just keep yourself busy in the preparation. Don't think much about your failure, your success, or whatever people say, whatever your friends say about you, about your preparation. Don't pay any attention to that. Just keep yourself busy in the preparation. Next point is, please do not message me on the Instagram. That is my personal space. I have already made a Telegram group by the name Uniform Forces, the link of which is given in the description box. So comment, put your doubts there, and I'll be active there for at least 3 to 4 coming days. So if you have any genuine doubt, please post it there. But before putting your doubt, make sure that you go through my playlist, so that you can see whether I have already put a video on that or not. Okay. So I hope you guys are preparing seriously, honestly, dedicatedly for this. You will not waste your time. You will follow these tips and you will score good marks in the CAPF examination. All the best to you. See you in the next video.